Pay attention. Let's solve this question. 4 over 9 raised to power x plus 1 equals 27 over 8 all raised to power 2 minus x. Quickly, solution. Let's rewrite the question. 4 over 9 all raised to power x plus 1 equals 27 over 8 all raised to power 2 minus x. Remember, we are looking for the value of x. All right. 4 is a perfect square, 9 is a perfect square. So we can have 2 raised to power 2 over 3 raised to power 2, bracket close, raised to power x plus 1 equals 27 can be expressed as 3 raised to power 3 over 8 can be expressed as 2 raised to power 3, bracket close, all raised to power 2 minus x. Are you following? All right. There is a law that if you have a raised to power 2 over b raised to power 2, this is equals a over b all raised to power 2. So we are going to apply this here. Let's clean up this. In this expression, we now have 2 over 3 all raised to power 2 all raised to power x plus 1. Are you following? Equals, we're also going to apply that expression here. 3 over 2 all raised to power 3 all raised to power 2 minus x. Are you following? All right. There is also another law that if you have a raised to power 2, that's a over b, for example, all raised to power 2 raised to power x. This is the same thing as a over b all raised to power, this power will multiply each other, all raised to power 2x. Are you following? All right. Now, applying this principle, we will now have 2 over 3. These two will multiply 2x plus 1. So we now have all raised to power 2 multiply x is 2x, 2 multiply 1 is 2, equals the same thing here. 3 over 2 all raised to power 3 times 2 gives you 6. 3 times minus x gives you minus 3x. If you look carefully, the base here is 2 over 3. The base here is 3 over 2. All right. We are going to convert this to have the same base. There is a principle that if you have a over b all raised to power x, for example, if you want to inverse this fraction, you will introduce a negative. So let's apply it here. So we now have 2 over 3 all raised to power 2x plus 2 equals 2 over 3 all raised to power minus bracket 6 minus 3x. All right. 2 over 3 raised to power 2x plus 2 equals 2 over 3 raised to power minus times 6 gives you minus 6. Minus times minus is plus. So we now have plus 3x. Because their bases are now the same, base can cancel base, so that you can equate the powers. We now have 2x plus 2 equals minus 6 plus 3x. The next thing is to collect like terms. We will now have 2x plus 3 will cross equality sign to become minus 3x equals minus 6 plus 2 will cross equality sign to become minus 2. X minus 3x is minus what? X equals minus 6 minus 2 gives you minus 8. This minus can cancel this minus. Therefore, x equals 8. 8 is the value of x. If you substitute x as 8 in this equation, everything on the left hand will equal everything on the right hand. If you found this video very interesting, kindly share it and follow for more.